Well, hello there. This video will show you how to retain SEO after launching a new WordPress website. So this video is going to assume that 1, you recently launched a WordPress website. 2, you're replacing an existing website, meaning you already had a website that was up and running. And then 3, you have pages on your new website to match each of the pages on the old website. Got it? Swagtastic. So first step, we're going to need a way to do something called 301 redirects. You have 2 easy ways of doing this. 1, either you can set these up in something called a htaccess file, or 2, you can use a WordPress plugin. I usually like to do it in an htaccess file, but whenever I'm using a WordPress website, I like to do it in a plugin, and I'll explain why. The reason I like to do it with a plugin when using a WordPress website is because I've had situations where I've switched hosting, and for whatever reason, the .htaccess file got lost, and when that got lost, all my redirects got lost. So if you do it in a WordPress plugin and handle your redirects there, if you move the site to a new host using a backup tool such as Backup Buddy, all of your redirects will stay there with you. So first, before anything, let's set up our plugin. Okay, plugins, add new. I'm in the WordPress backend. If you do not know that, you should not be watching this tutorial. Type in redirection. Install now. Magic. Ooh, activate. Activate. All right, we're good. So go to settings. Support the developer because that's the kind of person you are. And then go to redirects. We're good there for now. So the next step is we need to find the links that Google has for our website that no longer work because of the changes we made. Often when you launch a new website, the page structure changes a little bit. So like maybe before you were saying mywebsite.com/city, and now you're saying mywebsite.com/city-state. And little changes like that will trip Google up and make it so that Google can't find your pages. And when Google can't find your pages, you may lose some of the SEO value. So you want to make that as flawless as possible to reduce the likelihood that your new website can negatively impact your search engine rankings. So let's go to Google, and we're going to use a little trick I like. You're going to type in site, S-I-T-E, colon, and then website name. So let's do it for Chato Labs here, since that's my company's website. And what you'll see here is you'll see a list of pages that Google has indexed for your site. A bunch of different pages. There are a lot. The most important ones will be on page 1. The least important ones will be way further back, page 9, 10, and beyond. So at the very least, take care of pages 1 and 2. Ideally, take care of them all. That's going to be the best thing you can do for your SEO. So this isn't a new website, so most of these links will work, if not all of them. But let's assume one of these links didn't work. So for example, let's assume the Harrisonburg link didn't work. What we do is you'd click on this, you'd see that it didn't take you to a web page. It would take you to like a 404 page. And so you'll right click on this, copy link address, and then we'll take this back into the redirection plugin and paste it into the source URL field. I'm actually not sure if you can keep your host name in there, but let's remove the website name, the host name, and just leave the file path. So we've got /Harrisonburg. In our example, that doesn't work, and we know that the new page that we created on the new version of the website will be at Harrisonburg, Virginia, right? So all we need to do is add the source URL, page that is no longer on the new website. This is the page that used to be on the old website. The target URL, this is the page that is on the new website that replaces the old website's page, just with a new file structure, a new naming convention structure. And then we just simply press add redirect. And so now when we go to /Harrisonburg, it will take us to Harrisonburg, Virginia. So it's really not more complicated than that. It's tedious. You'll have to do it again and again and again and again, but it's worth it. You'll keep that SEO juice you've built up over the past few years for all of those pages and let Google know that those pages are still here, just in a new location. So I think that's it. I'm not sure if there's anything else I should cover. If there is, let me know in the comments. If not, then I probably won't hear from you. Have a fantastic day.